Now let's take a look at our C-Light LED driver. The white and black wires will connect to your parking light circuit to supply power to the LED driver. The yellow wire is the turn signal input. This wire will be longer on your C-Light kit. And finally, the red and black wires provide the regulated power to your LED C-shaped lights. Start by feeding the T10 connector through the opening located at the top corner of the headlight housing. Then feed the yellow turn signal input wire through the low beam opening. If you have factory LED headlights, you will need to feed the yellow wire through the high beam opening instead. Once the wire passed, you can now reinstall the flexible dust boot. If you're working with factory LED headlights, you will need to remove the white printed circuit board on which the parking light LED chip is mounted. Simply unclip the connector at the back of the board in order to release it. Then cut the red and black wires approximately 2 inches away from the black connector. Install the supplied terminal pins and 9006 connectors to both the red and black wires and the black and white wires on the LED driver. Then merge the C-Light driver with your new connector, making sure you match the red wire with the white wire and the black wire with the black wire, as shown here. We are now ready to apply the adhesive that will reseal our headlight housings. It is important that the channel be completely filled in order to ensure a good seal. Once the adhesive has been applied to the entire perimeter, you are now ready to close up your headlights. Make sure you connect the LED driver to the C-Light and carefully place the lens on the back half of the housing. You may now connect the C-Light driver to the parking light connector and also reinstall the headlight harness. Here's a quick tip for you. If ever your C-Lights fail to light up, be sure to check your connection at the parking light bulb socket. It may be as simple as a poor contact, which can be easily fixed by bending the metal contacts away from the connector. Polarity might also be the culprit. In that case, rotating the connector 180 degrees would solve the issue. We are now ready to put the headlight back into the oven for 8 minutes at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Coming out of the oven, you will need to carefully press both halves together. Once all the clips secured, apply all 6 remaining screws to the headlight assembly. In order to make use of the switchback turn signal feature, you will need to use the T-tap connector and tap the yellow wire into the blue wire leading to your factory turn signal.